Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about Buddhist schools of art. 1st century CE onwards, Gandhara, which is now in Pakistan, Mathura in North India, Vengi in Andhra Pradesh has emerged as important centers of art production. Now let us discuss about Gandhara School of Art. It is a composite school of art. The sculptural tradition in Gandhara had confluence of Bactria, Parthia and local Gandhara tradition. This school of art is exclusively Buddhist. In contrast with Mathura school, the Gandhara school images are known for their anatomical accuracy, spatial depth and foreshortening. Here, the facial features of Buddha reflect Greco-Roman influence, that is, protruding eyeballs, elongated eyes, half-closed eyes, and elongated face and sharp nose. The rock-cut Buddhas in Bamiyan in Afghanistan, which were destroyed by Taliban, are example of this Gandhara school of art. Here, the material used is blue-grey mica schist and grey sandstone. The various mudras depicted in Gandhara art are Abhaya Mudra, Dhyana Mudra, Dharmachakra Mudra and Bhumisparsha Mudra. Next, Mathura School of Art. This is completely indigenous school. The religious base is much wider compared to Gandhara school. That is, it is not confined to one god. The various images carved in the school are Buddha and Bodhisattvas, naked Tirthankaras, that is Digambaras, Trimurtis and their spouses, secular images like kings, that is headless statue of Kanishka, and other Vaishnava and Shaiva images. It may be noted that the images of Vishnu and Shiva are represented by their Ayudas. Also note that the Buddha image at Mathura is modeled on the lines of earlier Yaksha images, whereas in Gandhara it has Hellenistic features. Next, Amaravati School of Art. These mainly belong to Buddhism. Ayakapathas, Buddha and Bodhisattvas were sculptured. The important feature of this school of art is Ayakapathas, that is the marble slab where events of life of Buddha are sculptured. Next, let us see the difference between Sarnath and Mathura school of art. Many Buddha images in Sarnath have plain transparent drapery covering both shoulders and the halo around the head has very little ornamentation. Whereas the Mathura Buddha images continue to depict folds of drapery in Buddha images and the halo around the head is profusely decorated. Now let us discuss a question based on this. Which of the following statements are true regarding various Buddhist schools of art? Statement number 1. Gandhara school of art is purely indigenous. This statement is false because it is a composite school of art, that is Indo-Greek art. Statement number 2. Gandhara school of art has a wider religious base. This is also false because it is mainly Buddhist school of art. Statement number 3. Mathura school is confluence of Bactria, Parthia and local traditions. This is also false because Mathura school is purely indigenous school of art. So the answer is 4. None of the above statements are true. Thank you.